Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online science class. From previous session, you are clear that subatomic particles like electron, proton, neutron, etc. Now, we are going to discuss about atomic number, mass number and valency. Listen, all the elements are made up of subatomic particles. But how one atom differ from another atom? It is clear that the number of protons present inside the nucleus of an atom determines what element it is. For example, if the nucleus has only one proton, such atom are called hydrogen atom. Similarly, if the nucleus has 8 proton, then that atom is oxygen atom. So, the number of electrons or protons in an atom is called the atomic number. It is represented by the letter Z. If we know the atomic number of an atom, then we can find the number of electrons and protons in it. Look at this picture. Here, hydrogen atom contains one proton in the nucleus and one electron revolve around the nucleus. In helium atom contain two protons and two electrons revolve around the nucleus. Similarly, oxygen atom contains 8 protons in the nucleus and 8 electrons revolve around the nucleus. Next, mass number. Mass of an atom depends on the mass of nucleus. The nucleus contains subatomic particles like protons and neutrons. So, mass number is defined as the sum of the number of protons and number of neutrons in the nucleus. It is represented by the letter A. So, mass number equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. For example, carbon atom contains 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So, its mass number is 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Look at this picture. This picture shows the atomic number and mass number of some atoms. Now we are going to learn about valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an atom. To find this, we should know the number of electrons in an atom. For example, hydrogen has only one electron. So, the outermost shell contains one valence electron. So, the valency of hydrogen is 1. So, the valency is measure of how many hydrogen atoms it can combine with. For example, oxygen can combine with 2 hydrogen atoms and form water molecule. So, the valency of oxygen is 2. Similarly, chlorine combine with 1 hydrogen atom and form hydrochloric acid. So, the valency of chlorine is 1. In methane molecule, carbon combines with 4 hydrogen atoms. So, the valency of carbon is 4. Similarly, in ammonia molecule, nitrogen combines with 3 hydrogen atoms. So the valency of nitrogen is 3. So the elements having valency 1 is called monovalent. For example, hydrogen and sodium. The elements having valency 2 are called divalent. Example, oxygen and beryllium. The elements having valency 3 are called trivalent. Example, nitrogen and aluminium. But some elements have more than one valency. For example, iron, copper, etc. When atoms of different elements combine with each other to form a compound. Example, ammonia, water, etc. So here valency is used to how many atoms combine in a compound.